So we take this guy, and we feed her down the hole, and we dump oil everywhere because it's still got oil in the oil pump. Turn that light off and go back up. Uh-oh, washer came off. That washer needs to stay on there. Stay. Right, my fingers off. Feed this bolt in there. Uh-oh. Gotta have the gasket lined up. Gotta have that gasket lined up. Because that bolt goes through it. Come on. Get on there. I'm going to have to lower it down again. Okay, pull that out. Set it down on that. Set that all the way down. Just so we can put one stinking bolt in the hole. Okay. Go around and do the rest of them.
Josie's on a vacation far away. Got her up and talking over.
Who sings that song? You should let them sing it. Okay. Keep her going. Way up there. Yeah, your lights are working. Left, right, yeah. Yep. Fog lights? Fog lights? Bottom lights? Okay, back in a second.
Thank you, boy.
Welcome. What can I say except you're welcome? You know, I know it's just a movie, but if he was trapped on that island for 1,000 years, when did he start practicing that song? Oh, did you line up finally? Yeah, you did. And my tray's got no more bolts, so that means they should all be there. Next question. Where is my ratchet? Right here. So we're going to do that one and that one first, because they're right beside dowels. And that'll just help align it. And that one. Go around and finger tighten them all again, because that sucked them all in. Doesn't want to go in. Oh, no, it was just... Apparently I'm wrong-handed. That one's still pretty. Yep. Okay. Go back to that 13 mil and get the last one. Oh yeah, that's the one I haven't replaced yet. Got one 13 mil socket. It's very worn out. Okay, now keylings up top. I'll wipe all the stuff off this crank pulley. Keylay straight up, so that means the pump has got to be turned. I wonder if this one will work. Somewhere there. Shit, that worked.
I watched your movie in time from school.
You watched my movie? The 30-minute one or the 3-minute one? The 30-minute one or the 3-minute one? Okay. That should be good enough. We're not going for perfection. I did not put that tensioner back in there. We're going to do that from the top, I think. Or maybe. Let's see. And will that fit? Just. So that was, what was that, 16? Why do I got an 18 mil wrench over here? That's not an 18, that's a 16. 15? Oh, I'm an idiot. 15. Good and snug, enough room to put the belt in. There is a little bit of slop in these aftermarket ones.
Close the door. She's like, so we get service and a show, eh? You singing back there.
Depends on what kind of show you want. Oh, I'm gonna have to jack that up.
Hold on, let me load up Hill Climb Racer. Suck his porn music. That'd be great.
Usually not a good sign when you say that.
I just need to drill for a good guy. needs you to dilly-dally up to the warehouse and grab 4 times.
Oh, yeah?
They only have Zamsha and these fucking loaded.
Thought these guys were supposed to go there.
Huh?
Thought the guys were supposed to go there. Ours.
Yeah. No, there's nothing to do with the warehouse. I've sent them too much. They did all the work. Now Tyson's bored. Literally, Oleg told me that they were too efficient. They have nothing to do.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Like, I'd rather not send them home. And, like, every time I go to send them and I talk to them in the lunchroom, they're just like, I don't want to go. And I'm like, well, the choice is you go there and still make money, or you go home and make no money.
Yup.
As Sasha would say, no money, no honey.
Yeah. But honestly, if I get to spend more time with the kids, I go home. But that's just Did I push record? I did. But that's flickering really terrible, so I hope that works out. Wiring harness got in the way. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get that bottom one.
All that chain slack on now.
Well, she's nice and tight. We'll see.
That's not very promising.
Wow. I'm dealing with Amazon parts. Like, I'm doing the best I can. Doing the best I can with what I got. Sanity check. Still there, still there. Let's put the cover back on. Come on. Start them all by hand so you don't strip them out as easily. And then we get our old school little ratchet wrench, electric, Milwaukee, because I like tools that have warranty and actually work. just about as tight as you'll ever need them to be. Well, yeah, let's lift her up. Oh no, let's put the hose back on there first. Kind of wiggle it down its hole here. Squeeze it in between there. Click her up into place. This one will go back on here after the cover and everything. That was from timing gear. Oh yeah, we haven't finished the motor mount yet. God. My bad. I'm gonna need a long extension and a 15 now. 15? Yeah. Okay, now we can lower this jack down. It's on the studs. Put these two cleats back in. What did we say? Those are 18s? Well, we could put the rest of the stuff back on top, but my camera's in the way. It's not looking at much anyway. And going up. Here. Now we grab the belt. Put it on the same way it came off. Feed it to your other hand that goes through the frame rail. Turn it sideways. Put it behind the tensioner. Around there, around there. Grab the 3/8 ratchet. Without a socket on it. And put her in right there. reverse. And the belt's on. Where's my plastic and my clips? One clip, two clip, red clip, blue clip. This way. That one's broke off, whatever. And you grab your wheel. Put it on your knees, flip it up. Because we're not interested in back problems. We're going to torque that to 140 foot-pounds after the job is done. I decided to do it now. Okay, this can go out of the way. This is never going to stay out of the way, so we'll put it behind the camera. Still recording. Yeah. Well, that was a little bit too soon. Now it can go out of the way. Grab this. Slots in on that. Yeah, I'm not going to say it. Put this. Nah, we'll leave it out of the way. This one. Oh, where'd you go? Right there. Turn it out of the way. Line up the throttle body. Then we line up the two studs. Pushed in. Connect that. Connect that. Tighten it up. So that one's on the bottom. Okay, we're going to take our camera out of there because it's in the way. Grab our wire. push that back into the hole. Ooh, that sounded great. Alright. Oh, too soon. Put the block heater cord back in the way, and then push it in the hole. And remove any excess. And pull off gloves and check and see if she runs. And if she makes some terrible noises. I forgot. I'm not the one that pulled it in. So there's the key. And 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, that went away. That's nice and smooth. Let's check her out. That was like nice and quiet.